C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp and JavaScript. 6 languages quietly run almost everything you touch every single day. Your phone, your bank, your favorite game, even this video platform. By the end of this video, you will learn what each language does and where it is used and which language you must learn first. And let's get into it. Let's start it with C programming language. C is called grandfather of all modern programming languages. C was created by Dennis Ritchie in 1970 at T. Bell Laboratories. Almost every language after it, including the next 5 languages, that is borrow from the C language ideas. C is called low-level programming language, meaning it's talk closer to computer hardware. This is why C is still using in operating systems that make it incredibly fast and efficient. Yes, the major portion of the Windows operating system, Linux operating system and Mac operating system written in C. And even your phone firmware are written in C. If you want to deeply understand how computer actually work, memory, pointer, hardware, C is the language that teach you. Now let's level up to C++. Think of it as C with superpower. C++ kept everything powerful about C and added object-oriented programming in it, letting developers to build large and complex systems in a very organized and efficient manner. Where do you see C++ in action? Video games. Most AAA game engines, including Unreal Engine, are written in C++. High-frequency trading system, Google Chrome browser, and Adobe Photoshop run on C++. If performance is everything, then game, real-time system, and robotic, C++ is a king. Python, the language everyone talking about it. Python is famous for one thing, simplicity. The syntax read like the plain English language. That is why it is a first choice for beginners. But don't let simplicity fool you. Python powers some of the biggest technology on the earth. Artificial intelligence and machine learning built mostly on Python. Data science, Python automation script, web backend with Django and Flask. Even part of Instagram and Netflix all about Python. If you want to get into artificial intelligence, data science and machine learning or your first language, then Python is your starting point. Now Java, the language behind the phrase write one, run everywhere. Java code can be run on almost any devices because of something called JVM, Java Virtual Machine. This made it go to the language for big enterprise system over the 25 years. Banks uses Java, Android apps originally all built in using Java. Massive enterprise software running on Java, insurance company, airline system, e-commerce system, also government system. Java behind the scene. It is not falsy but incredibly reliable, which is exactly why it is still dominate corporate world. Up next, C Sharp. Pronounce C Sharp. Microsoft answer to Java. C Sharp is clean, modern and tightly connected to the Microsoft ecosystem. It is the language behind the Windows desktop apps, enterprise software using .NET framework and gaming. If you have ever played a game made in Unity, the chances you have that game was scripted in C Sharp. From mobile game to indie hit to VR experiences, C Sharp is everywhere in game development. If you are interested in Windows apps or game development with Unity, then C Sharp is the best choice for you. And finally, the language that runs the entire web, JavaScript. Every single website you visit uses JavaScript to make it interactive. Buttons, animation, real-time update, everything. It is literally only language that runs natively inside in every browser. But JavaScript is not just for website anymore. With Node.js, it runs servers. With React Native, it builds mobile application also. It is genuinely everywhere in modern web development. If you want to build website, web app or become a full stack developer, then JavaScript is non-negotiable. Let's do a quick recap. C, operating system and hardware level programming. C++, game and high performance system. Python, artificial intelligence, data science and beginners. Java, enterprise software, banking and Android. C Sharp, Windows apps and Unity game development. JavaScript, website, web app and full stack development. 6 different languages, 6 different worlds. And now you know exactly where each one fits. So tell me in the comment which one you are learning now. Drop it in the below. I read every comments. If this helped you, press the like button and subscribe for more programming content and programming languages. I will see you in the next video and thank you for watching this video and stay connected for more video like this.